Do you have a temporary restraining order against you, or are you seeking to get a restraining order against somebody else? It's important to understand the collateral consequences of a restraining order and the effect that it will have on the defendant if a restraining order is entered, and even the temporary restraining order application being approved goes into a registry. But I'm reading off a court-issued guide here, and it's important to know that if a final restraining order is entered against that defendant, they should be aware that there are significant penalties that will be imposed automatically. The name will be kept in the Domestic Violence Central Registry, and this can affect employment, affect housing, prevent you from being a resource or a foster parent, or affect a professional license. You will also be fingerprinted and fined up to $500. You will be barred from where the plaintiff lives and works, and possibly barred from additional locations and or additional people, like, for example, the plaintiff's relatives. Parenting time with the child could be affected. This is critical when there's children involved, and you might be ordered to participate in court-ordered services such as attendance at a batter's intervention program, submitting to a substance abuse evaluation, or submitting to a psychological or psychiatric evaluation, and you will not be permitted to possess any weapon, ID card, or purchaser permit while the final restraining order is in effect, or for 2 years, whichever is greater. These are advisements that the court has to give defendants when they appear at the final restraining order hearing. In fact, there's recent case precedent in New Jersey that failure to provide this advisement to defendants could lead to the reversal of a final restraining order if one is granted. So the collateral consequences are important to understand. It's certainly something in our expertise. As a team of former prosecutors at the Bianchi Law Group, we work on these cases regularly. We handle both sides for plaintiffs and defendants. We work on these cases together in our huddles, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. All of our team members, all of our attorneys, all the support staff, including myself, Dave Bruno, and my law partner, Bob Bianchi, we work on a restraining order in our criminal cases together. So if you have one against you, if you're seeking to get one, this is definitely in our wheelhouse, and we would be honored to represent you in your restraining order action. You have any questions, give us a call, 862-210-8570. Thank you.